The other day, I had a battery issue on my drone as I was flying it. I guess the battery overheated in the drone and it caused a couple issues. The drone is fine though, but the great customer service from Holy Stone said about sending out an entirely new drone because as I had the battery issue, and so I guess I'm gonna get a new drone in which all I needed was a battery. But hey, I appreciate this great customer service. So when my package arrives, I'll let y'all know. I got my package today, and I think it's from Holy Stone. So we are gonna be opening up, unboxing my package. So let's see what's in it. All right, sorry about that. So let's see what's in the package. Today is August 6th, 2020. As I was saying before, I had an issue with the battery for the DEERC D50 drone the other day, and I contacted Holy Stone about it, June Yang, and she said they were going to send me out a whole new drone, in which it looks like they did. Wow. And all I needed was a new battery. I didn't actually need a whole new drone, as my other drone is still perfectly fine. See? Still perfectly fine. The only issue that I had, it was the battery, which I showed everybody the other day. I know that's, hard to see, but I don't know if you can even see it or not. How it blew apart during flight. So June Yang and I were talking, and she said about sending out a whole new drone, and it came today, August 6th, around 11 o'clock in the morning. So here we are, and I got it all open, and we're going to pull it out of the box. There it is, a brand new Holy Stone DEERC D50 drone, number 2. And it looks like it even has all the contents as the first one. Yes, it does. It has 2 new batteries again, and the phone holder for the awesome controller. The controller looks a little beat up, but otherwise it's fine. I'm gonna guess it was well, no, actually, just particles on it. Okay. Yeah, and it has everything else. It's got the landing gears, propeller protectors, 2 charger cords, extra props. Yeah, so now I got 2 drones. Thank you, June Yang and Holy Stone, for being awesome. And you guys are by far the best customer service ever that I've ever dealt with. So again, I thank you very much, and I will be flying my drones today and having a great time. So have a good day. Bye bye.